Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll show you guys this new investment website which comes with a lot of features like copy trading, bot trading, wallet connect and loan, all in one website. In this video I'll show you guys how to set up this website for yourself, how this website works, and how you can also set up a website for your clients. So without wasting much of your time, let's just go straight into the video. So you can see now this is the front end of the website. You can see the colors, the layout has already been done for you, content has been done for you already, everything has done perfectly for you. So you don't need to worry about all those unnecessary details here. You can see the front end is very beautiful. So that's just it. You can see it's very simple, straight to the point, not too complicated here. Okay, so now let me just log into my account so I can actually show you how it actually works. Once you log into your account, take you straight to the dashboard. You see that it has a very amazing dashboard. Here you have your wallet balance, your active investment, open loans, crypto portfolio. Here you have your live market where you can buy and trade. You can see trade on this website too. Here you have your total balance. So let me just walk you through each of these features here so that you understand how this works. So here you have your history, research activities and all that here. So now this deposit part, click on this part here. You can actually see make deposit on this website here. You can choose to enter the amount, select the method, and this method can also still be added from the admin side. Yeah, so this is it. Here you have to upload your proof and all that. So here you have withdrawal. So this is your default. You actually have to set it up in your profile so that you can select it for withdrawal and all that. So that is just that about that. So let me go back to the dashboard. Okay, so let's see. The next feature there is okay, let's wait for it to load. Alright, so here we have withdrawal. I've done the withdrawal part already. So here we have the investment part. Click on investment. You can actually see the different investment plans on this website. It also come with a live crypto widget here too. So you can see this one is $10,000. You get 3% of this investment. Payout after 1 day, so it's automatic and all that. So here you can see your active investments. Okay, which your the previous one you did. You can see the end date and start date and all that here. Okay, so if you're going for this, just click on invest. Then after that, click on confirm investment, and that is just that for this particular section. So let me go back again so that we can see the other part. Okay, so after the investment, we have the investment. You have your profile. So click on profile. Let's open this real quick. Okay. Alright, so this is the profile. Here you can see your referral link, your total referral. You can update your profile. You can see your status, KYC is verified. You can see security, commission, and all that here. So that's just that for this section. Here we have the crypto. Click on that. Okay. Click on crypto. You can alright, so here you can see your crypto trading. Alright, so you can choose to trade any crypto. You can say Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and all that. So click on Bitcoin and say 100, then click on buy. Alright, so click on buy, say crypto purchase successfully and all that. So you can see the market and all that for this. So you see crypto start and you can choose to buy. Say put in the amount of 100, then click on buy here and all that. Alright, you can see crypto purchase successfully. So that is just that for this session. So the other session we have is the send money. Okay, click on that. You can actually send to a particular user. All you have to do is just to enter the user's email, put in the amount, put in the option and send. Then the user's balance will be credited automatically. So let's go to the dashboard. Here we have the, let's see, we have the promo offers. So this is just like offers that the site actually running. So that can be done from the admin side. Okay, so here we have the refer in. I've talked about that already. So the wallet connect, click on that. You can just connect your details here, put in the details and click on connect, and you will see the connected wallet here. So that's just that for that session. Here you have the we have the crypto trading. crypto trade. Okay, so sorry, copy trade. You can actually copy a user trade and all that. So here you can just put in the amount, let's say 100, then just click on start copying. Okay, the minimum for this is 10,000. So I'm just putting that there. Click on start copying. Okay, and okay, I don't have sufficient funds for that, so that is just that for this. All this can actually be added from the admin side. So this is the recent one I'm actually copying here, which is this. I can click on stop. Okay, you can stop and you can see crypto copy trade stop and stick return to your balance. Okay, so my balance has been created. So it's just that for this session. And let's go back to the dashboard. And the next one here is actually bot trading. All right, so you can see these bots here, different bots, their percentage you will get and all that. So all this can be actually be edited from the admin side. So I'll show you guys that in a minute. So just have to put in the amount. This is about 5,000. I don't have up to that amount, so it's very easy. Just put in the amount, click on start, and that is just it. So okay, there's this one here, to the minimum of 10. So I can put let's say 20 for this, and click on start, confirm. Okay. All right, so that is just that for this place. So go back to the dashboard, and let's see the next one here, which is get loan. All right, so you can actually apply for loan here. Just put in the where is it? Okay, so this is requested loan. This is actually approved. This is actually be repaid already. So you actually have to repay a loan before you can actually take on that loan. You get, so that's just that. So you can see that this dashboard is very easy to use, nothing too complicated here, and it also have this what do you call it, the dark and light mode. You understand, that's dark and light mode too, which has very amazing features on this part. So this is all for the user dashboard. So now let me log into the admin side so I can show you how the admin works and how the admin can actually control the entire website. Okay, so once you log into the admin, take you straight to this dashboard. Here you have the total users, system fund head, active investment, total investment amount. Here you have the investment plan. Okay, so you can see different investment plan here. You can choose to edit this. If you edit this, change the name, change the price, the ROI, the duration, the description of this one. Once you have done, click on update, and that is just that for this. So let me go back. Here you have the add new plan. Actually add new plan on this website. You can put in the price, the ROI, which is 5%, 10%, 20%. Put in the duration, which is 10 days, 5 days, 1 day, or wherever you want. Then click on create plan. So that is just that for this section. And let's go back to the dashboard, which is the admin dashboard. Let's see the other sessions. All right, so okay, let me go back. All right, so here you have the trading bots. Click on this. I'm just opening this new tab. Okay, so here you can see all the trading bots. The same process. You can choose to edit, delete, or add a new one if you want. Just fill in the details. After that, click on create bot, and that is just that for this session. All right, so you have here you have the copy trade strategies. Okay, here you can add the copy trade users, which you can put the, you can choose to update this. You can update here. You can update the details, and okay, so that is just that. So if you click on this, you can update this, also still add a new one. You can add for this part. This to add to a particular user's account. You can just put in the name, description, the daily percentage, and all those information. Then click on save, and that is just that for this section here. Okay, that is that for this section. Let me just go back. Okay, yeah, you have the loan request here. Click on this. You can see all the loan requests here. But all this has been approved already, so there's nothing here to do. So just go back. Here you have the KYC submission. Okay, so these are the KYC details on this website. Click on view. You can actually view the details or choose to approve or reject this. So this has already been approved already. So just have to leave it for now. So let me go back. Here you have the users, let's start users on this website, right? So you can choose to log in as this user, edit this user details. So you can change the role to admin. You can give this user an admin role. You can make the account locked, cannot log in, or suspended or banned. You can assign a bounding to this user. You can form the account or subtract the account. Just put in the amount here and click on proceed. So that is just that. So this is the wallet connected. So you can choose to reject or delete this. Okay, so that is just that for the user's profile edit. So let me go back. Here you have the payment method on this website. So you can choose to add a new payment method. Okay, so let's say you can choose to add let's say bank transfer. You can say this is for only deposit or withdrawal. Then click on manual or floater automated. Put in the currency, put in the instruction, which will be the address or the account number. Put in the minimum and put in the maximum. Click on add method. This method is one for deposit. You have just one method for deposit, which is actually Bitcoin, and you should delete this. And for withdrawal, we have Bitcoin and USD and Ethereum. Okay, this is just the conversion rate. So that is that for this session. Here you have the transactions on this website. Here you can see all the transactions on this website, the completed ones. Okay, so that is just that. Okay. Alright, so go back. So here you have notification. There's consent notification to leave empty if you want to broadcast to all users. Put in the title, put in the message, and that's just it. But if you want to send to a specific user, all you have to do is just to put in the email of this user here, and let's say user admin. Okay, and that is just that. Okay, so let me just go back. Here you have the contact message. So this is actually user that actually message contact support from their own account. So here you can view the message here. Okay, you can choose to delete, and that is just that. So let me just go back to messages. Okay, so let me just go back. See, here you have the website settings. So you can actually edit the name of the website, the support, the file icon, the SMTP details, how users can receive mail, SSL, TSL, the mail and the password and all that. So here you can see send welcome email to users. It's activated. Send email alerts for every user transactions. Here you have require email OTP for new registrations. You can choose to activate this, and enable KYC for all users. Activate that. You can change the currency symbol, the base currency code, the minimal deposits, minimal withdrawal, referral bonus, and show project returns or investment and all those kind of information. So these are just basically information about the website. You can actually be edited from the admin side. Here you can add so that is just enable. Okay. So you can just choose to edit anything you want. After that, click on you can choose the preferred theme color. Here is the cron job for each detail. So for the investment cron, you can choose to set it up with your cron job. Wallets, withdraw. This is investment cron, that's automatic investments. Here you have the withdraw. Here you have to clear notifications, crypto price, and the live chat integration. You can paste it here and click on save. So I'll show you guys how you can actually set this up later on. So now let me show you how to set this up website for yourself or for your clients. So all you have to do is to log into your cPanel. If you don't know how to get your cPanel details, there will be a number under this video. You can contact us to show how to get your cPanel details. And if you find the video helpful or you want more tutorial about website creation or that, don't forget to turn subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn the notification bell for more awesome videos like this. Okay, so once you log into your account, take you straight to this dashboard. For this, I'll be putting it in a subdomain. Okay. So it's actually, if you're putting in the subdomain or the main domain, it's actually the same thing. You just have to follow along. Okay, so click on domains. All right, click on domains, and click on domains. I have the domain created here already, which is this this Ricard Tech. So just click on this. Okay, I already have the zip file uploaded here. If you don't have it, just click on upload here. All right, click on select, and actually have to select that particular this zip file. So once you finish uploading, okay, I already have it here already, so that's why it's showing like this. So once you have uploaded the file, just right click on extract, right click on extract here, extract. Yeah, just we have to wait for it to finish extracting. Okay, so it has finished extracting, so just click on close here. Before you move it out of this folder, so just delete this, don't need this again, delete, right? moving out of this folder, click on here, click on show hidden files. This should be checked, then click on save, right? So click on this folder, click on select all, click on move. All right, so click on move files. Sorry. I'm coming. I think there's a mistake. Click on select all, click on move. Move it out of this folder. It should be inside the subdomain name which you created, which is the subdomain and all that. So click on move files, okay, and that is just that. So now after you have to enter this env.env, click on it, click on edit, click on edit. Here you set up a database username and your password. Okay, so come here, search for db mysql database wizard, click on that. Then you have to put in your database name. After putting your database name, put in your username. After your username, put in the password, then just save it. And after you save it, and just come here, put in your password here, username, and the details you use, just put it here, and put in your website URL here. So my website URL is let me search on domains, click on domains, go back, let me see, this is the click on it. All right, come back here and paste this here. So that is just that. Then also after creating a database, search for php myadmin, and locate the database name you created, which is this one here. Okay, all right, you have to locate the database you created, which is this one. Click on it. Okay, click on import. So go back to your folder, this SQL folder, click on download into your computer, go back to your php admin, click on browse, and click on database, the one you downloaded, and click on import. Okay, click on import, and just have to wait for it to finish importing. You select a success message here. Okay, so that's finished importing. So go back to first, trying to load this now to show you that your version has to be 8.2 and above. So go back here, search for PHP multi-PHP manager, click on this one. Okay, and go down, select the domain name, which is this one. Then click on here, click on 8.2, click on apply, and that is just it, right? So now if you go back to this admin, where's the admin? This cron job. To set up this cron job, all you have to do is to go back here, search for cron jobs, click on it, right? Go back here, copy this. Okay, all this should be like, just copy this like this, go here, and then just paste it here. All right, click on add. Okay, sorry, make this every 5 minutes, once per 5 minutes, and click on add. So this is it here. So you just have to do for everything one by one, and that's just it. So you can see that this it's very easy to set up. There's nothing complicated here, and see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.